Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add initials or change your initials here in DocuSign. Okay, so first up, go ahead and log into your DocuSign account. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and click on your profile or this profile icon. Just click on it and go ahead and click on Manage Profile. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and go to the left panel and here we have signatures. Just click on it. Now here we have the signature and the initial. Now if you just want to change it, you can go ahead and do so by clicking on the drop down right here that says Actions and just click on Edit. If you want to create one, just click on Add Signature button at the top right, click on it, and here you have a ton of templates, okay? If you want to upload your own sign, just click on Upload, and if you want to draw it, click on Draw or Choose, okay? For example, I would like to choose this one. And here we have the initials. Okay. Just go ahead and click on Create. And we'll ask you, would you like to replace the existing signature, which is named the same? Okay. I'm just going to hit on Replace. Wait for it. Now it's gone. Finally, to change the initial, all you have to do is just recreate the same thing. Okay. For example, you like this specific design. Just go ahead and click on Add Signature because you won't be able to edit your specific initial from this list, okay? Just click on Add Signature. Right here is your full name, your initials, okay? Maybe again, I'm just going to leave Ryan Christian, RC95, like so, and select the template, okay? Create. Replace if you have any duplicate, like so. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.